Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important formulas from definite integration. The first formula is integration from a to b f of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x into dx. This is equal to half of b minus a, where a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit. This is a very useful formula. With the help of this formula we can solve many problems in very less time. Next formula is integration from 0 to pi by 2 1 upon a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Note here that the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. The result of this formula is pi upon 2 into ab. Now the next formula is equal to integration of 0 to pi sin ax cos bx into dx. Here first find the value of a minus b. First calculate a minus b, and next if we find a minus b as even, here actually we arrive into two cases. The first one is if we arrive a minus b as even, and the second is odd. If a minus b is even, directly the given integral is 0. Otherwise the integral is 2a upon a square minus b square. And the next formula is integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x into dx, or integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x dx. This is generally like this: 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx, or integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx into dx. It is of the form sin power nx into dx. If we find, first the procedure is write this number 4 into the denominator and decrease the value of denominator by 1, like 4, 3, and again after 3 come to again denominator and write 2. After 2 write 1. Here also same procedure: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now here notice the difference. Here difference is the value of n is 4 and here it is 5. That is 4 is even, here 5 is odd. If it is even, multiply it by pi by 2. The result should be multiplied by pi by 2. Otherwise directly multiply it by 1. Actually this result is arrived with the help of like gamma functions. We will learn in higher classes. The formula is actually arrived by gamma functions. The next is integration from a to b root over x minus a by b minus x. Note here properly, a is the lower limit and it is subtracted in the numerator, and b is the upper limit and x is subtracted from b in the denominator. You should notice this thing carefully. The direct result is pi by 2 into b minus a. This will also help in some cases. And the next formula is integration from a to b root over x minus a into b minus x into dx. The value of this integral is, see here also notice properly, first x is a is subtracted from x, that a is here lower limit and b is upper limit. Notice this properly. And the value of this integral is pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. If we are thorough with all the basic formulas and all the formulas, it is very easy to solve any type of questions. So practice all these formulas. Next we will coming up with solving of these numericals based on this. Thank you.